everybody, welcome back to another Friday Fun Flips. All right, guys, we're on week number 37. Week number 37. Ooh, we're growing. All right, I do apologize for running late. Got off late today. It was kind of hard. This whole week I wasn't feeling good. Well, I don't know. Had the chills. But anyways, Friday Fun Flips. Before we start, I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for the love and support to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you are part of the family of the channel, much mahalos for coming back and watching my videos. All right, so week number 37, starting off with my Uso pack out of Rips. You got my lucky number 8. Jace Mix, you got number 6. SCA, you got number 11. Rashid, you got number 9. Robert Springs, number 10. God is Great, number 3. So God is Great, I don't know, pack number 3 and number 3 here, I'm not too sure, but I just put you in there on number 3. Collectaholic, you got number 5. Pastor Ken, lucky number 7. Thrift Shop Investor, TSI, you got lucky number 1. 2 balls are better than 1. You got the number 14. Please, guys, this is first entry or second entry into our games. Please show some love. FFM Cards, you got number 15. Just Your Average Geek, you got number lucky 13. Brother Surf, number 1 is already taken. I got you on number 2. Brother M2M, you got number 4. And we were short one for a full house tonight, but hopefully we don't have to go to the wheel tonight. All right, so let's find a winner. Out of our 14 players. All right, so good luck, everybody. So for this week, I got a box to select, and tonight we're looking for Ravens. So before I shuffle our cards, let's open up our packs. So for our select, for you guys winners, when I send a packs to you, 3 blaster exclusive green and yellow prism die cuts, find 1 silver prism die cut, and yeah. So if you do win a pack, and if you do post videos on YouTube, if you could please tag me in the video, and I'll come watch the video. And for the recent packs that I just did for last month, one of our winners, Mr. Grab, he posted a video on it. I'll try to put that in the description box and go check it out. He had a nice player hit, put it that way. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. 6 packs of full cards. 6 packs of full cards. Mix it up. All right. 6 packs full cards under the select. Okay, so that's pack number 1, pack number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, guys, there it is for week number 37. Winner of tonight, you get to pick a pack from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will mark it at the end before the video. Oh, and also Mr. God is Great wanted me to open his pack. So pack number 3. So I'm only going to open this pack, but I'm going to open the one behind. You can open that up. All right. So let me do a quick shuffle so we can find a winner already. And good luck to you guys. And just a question. How was you guys New Year's? How was you guys Christmas? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. And here's a good one. Here's a good question. What's your guys' New Year's resolution for this year? Is it open more packs? Trying to find that life-changing card. Yeah, let me know in the comments. All right, let's give it a big cut. Okay, gotta wash the hands. Okay, big cut. Bam. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Just a reminder, guys, it's not a full house tonight, so hopefully we don't go to the wheel. Oh, shoot. Let me face you downwards. There you go. All right, how's that, guys? How's that? All right, so okay, let's go. Starting off, also pack at the rib. So you got lucky number 8. Here's number 8, and we're looking for the Ravens. Bam. No, we got the Jags. Sorry, Moso, couldn't find your win. All right, Jace Mix, number 6. 5 and number 6. You got the Texans. All right, SCA 3744, you got number 11. Number 11. And the Titans. Rashid, you got number 9. Rashid, come on. And Ravens. Oh, you got the Bengals. Sorry, Rashid, couldn't find your win. All right, Rubber Springs. You got Tennessee Titans. Oh, you got the Colts. Why am I cheering for Titans? We're looking for the Ravens. All right, Mr. God is Great. You got number 3. God is Great, number 3. And bam. You got the Browns. All right, sorry, couldn't find your win. All right. If you hear the pounding from upstairs, those guys they already moved out already, so renovating the apartment. Collectaholic, number 5. Phoebe for the Ravens. Bam! Bingo. Collectaholic, congratulations. Where's that on my button? Damn. My grandson came again. Ay. He likes to play with the button. All right, congratulations, Collectaholic. You got the Ravens. And let's pass the can, number 7. 567. You got the Steelers. TSI, you got number 1. Another Steelers. 2 balls are better than 1. You got 14. You got the Texans. FFM cards, you got 15. You got the Bengals. Just Your Average Geek, number 13. You got the Colts. Brother Surf, you got Deuce. you got the Browns. And my brother 2M, you got number 4. Titans. And then the last one, nobody chose, is the Jaguars. All right, so congratulations to Collectorholic. My email is timetorip808@gmail.com. I think you won before, but I don't know if I still have your address. But if you could, please email me your address and then let me know pack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or number 6. All right, so before we go on to week number 38, let me open this for Mr. God is Great. And this is pack number 3. And I'm just only going to open this Flair pack. I'm going to save this for you to open. It's just a pop-up puzzle and cards, and that's it. The 1 pop-up, 3 puzzle pieces, and 3 cards. So I'll let you open that, and I'll just open this for now. All right, so good luck, and I will send the whole pack to you, even the wrapper. All right. Okay, we got the Flair Action Series. You got the Cubs. Oh, you got quiz here. What was the original name of Wrigley Field? And what is the answer? Answer is Wigman Park. Hey, this is really awesome. Awesome. All right. You got Nick Isaski, Eric King, Jack Armstrong, Larry Walker, David Valle, Ernest Riley's, Paul Gibson, Kirk Gibson, Jim Traver, Craig Biggio, Dave Henderson, Ron Gant, Andy Hawkins, Pat Combs, and last card is, bam, Jeff Kunkel. All right, so Mr. God is Great, I will be sending these out to you. All right, so this is your whole pack here. Now for week number 38. Week number 38, you got the Bears, Saints, Bucks, Panthers, you got the Vikings, Falcons, Lions, and the Packers. All right, so let me shuffle this up, and then let's see who we will be looking for in week number 38. All right. Oh, that's a lot of pounding. I don't know why these guys doing it so late. They had all day today to come and do it. Once past 9 o'clock, these guys still working, somebody's gonna get it. All right. Give it a big cut, give it a wash. And for week number 38, we will be looking for, and bam, Falcons. All right, so like I said, congratulations to Collectorholic. My email is timetorip808@gmail.com. Let me know in the email of what pack number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what, I'm just gonna mark it right now, just so that you guys see it. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Uno! Alright. Just want to make everything legit in front of you guys. Alright. There you go. Week number 38. Week number 38, Collectaholic. Let me know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. And don't forget your address too. Alright. You guys all have a blessed evening, everybody. Hello. Alright.